On students, today we discuss page number 149, same lesson. Now read this one, architect. The type of architect is changed. The city of Rome reviewed a particular way of the 15th century. The Pope activities was encouraged to study of the Roman history. Means the Roman styles, the constructions, which one is on the architecture, pillar system, domes. These one are called new style in architecture, which will actually be the imperial of the Roman styles. It is called classical. Pope and the wealthy merchants and aristocratic employed and architects who are the familiar with the classical architectures, they are encouraged. Artists and sculptors also decorate the buildings and painting, sculptures and relief. Another remarkable thing is change that from the time to time. Artists were known individually by the name. They are not made to a number of group or glide. So they want individually to bring to the name of them to their names. That's why you can see some of the individual skills are equally as a painter, sculptor and architects. The most impressive example is Michelangelo, who is the immortalized by the ceiling his painting with the Pope in the Sistine Chapel. It is the greatest artist he was, Michelangelo. You can see the top of the domes, the paints with Jesus one, which one the birthday one, and the last supper paintings one, and what are given to the most part of life Jesus ones are painted by Michelangelo on the in that church, which one the Sistine Chapels. The sculpture is the Pista. The design of the domes of St. Peter Church in Rome. Today also we can observe his paints. So Filippo Brunelleschi, he was the architect who designed the sculpture, the dome of the Florence here. He started his career as a sculptor. An Italian architect in the 16th century occupied many features in the imperial of the Romans. Okay, now next one is painting press. You know very well. Johannes Gutenberg. We call it often John Gutenberg. He is a great inventor of the printing machine. Now, once you see here, if people in the countries were wanted to see paintings, the sculpture and building of the great artists, they have to travel to Italy, because these paintings are only there only. That's why worldwide who want to visit these pictures or paintings or sculptures need to go to Italy. So how we can to see this one where they are living place? But in case of the written word, what was written in the Italy traveled to the other countries. It was because of these greatest revolutionary of the 16th centuries, the mastery of the telephonology of the printing for this. So Europeans were inhibited to other peoples. So most part of inventions we can observe in European countries, and also they are different from others. These are the inhibited of the other people, like the Chinese, who were the first developer of the papers and printing books with blocks. Worldwidely, first printing press methods are introduced or invented by the Chinese. Earliest texts existed a few handwritten copies, but in 1455 you can see 150 copies of Bible was printed in the workshop of the Johannes Gutenberg, the German who made the first printing press. Earlierly, a monk would be have to take the same amount of time, write out one copy of the Bible. So when he find out these printing press, taken 150 copies are taken. So by 1500, many classical texts, nearly all in Italy, Latin, and had been printed into the Italy. As printed books became available, it was possible to buy them. So the students did not have to depend solely on the lectures notes, ideology, and options. And information moved from the more widely and rapidly even before. So it is greatest chance to provide on others people to learn more and more. A printed book is promoting new ideas. It could quickly reach the 100 of the readers. This is made possible for the individual to read the books. Since it was possible to buy the copies of oneself, this helped the reading habit among the people. All these things make a greatest ideology is increased by the Romans. The chief reason is that humanist culture of Italy spread more rapidly in the north and western Europe. In the end of the 15th century, these printed books were circulating. This also explains why earlier intellectual movement had been limited on particular basis. You can understand why it is limited. But onwards it is expressed, spread out in the worldwide because of the printing press has given to the greatest chance to understand the ideology of the methods. Okay, new concept of the human beings. One of the features of the humanist culture was the weakening in the control of the region over human life. Italians were strongly attracted by material wealth and power and glory, but they are not necessarily irreligious. So they consider the equations of the power, wealth, and worldly pleasure are desirable, not only something to be avoided. There is also in certain time with a good manner. One should speak politely and dress correctly. What skills a person culture should learn. Humanism also claimed that individuals were capable of the shaping of their own livings through their mean of that more pursuit of the power and money. So we know on that times the people are dressed and what are the dressing methods, speaking levels and the knowledge and understanding of part given to the respectness, taking the respect timings. All the mannerism, human mannerism is corrected in the European time and the times. This is the ideally closer to type to the belief that the human nature was many insights. First of all, we can see Niccolo Machiavelli, who is the writer of the spirit of class in the politics, the ruler in his time. He did not rightly advise the rulers, but religious ideal was ruling that how real politics is functioning in a society. You can describe that. He studied real human beings and their actual political how it is there. These are first of all society describing methods we can observe Machiavelli books. Okay. The scholars such as Machiavelli began to study of the human society as they are instead of the trying to just what is the ideal society should like. Which society is the best society in the working and ruling method we can describe them easily. Okay, scholars such as Machiavelli began to study the human society as their instead of trying to just say an ideal society should be like. Which society is the best one you can describe easily. And since they are felt human beings are more motivated by self-interest and they studied the self-interest of people how it could be used. The people are mobilized through their own interests only. These ideology one first time expressed by the Machiavelli. Okay, the aspects of the women on the time how it is there. The new ideals of the individuals. The city should be excluded the women. Men from the aristocratic families dominate the public life. They were the decisions maker in their families also. We cannot today also we can observe most of the male domination systems in our societies. What are the status of the women on the time? You can also observe they are educated their sons to take their place in family business in their public life. At the time they are sending their younger sons to the church. Also there was a dowries or they invested the families for the businesses only. And also women generally had to know say they are how their husband should be run their businesses. So women generally had no say. Women's most part they are not able to give into any rights to they run the business. Often marriages are intended to strengthen the business alliance. So given to the one trader daughter to another traders, younger traders to make a relationship increasing business bond which will helping to them. Such relations only they are given prior to the women's on the time. So their husband should be run their family. So often the marriage also intended to strengthen the business alliance. If an advocate dowry could not be arranged, the daughters were sometimes sent to as a nun, the convent to the convent, live in life. You can see this type of unbearable systems. Today also most matter like that only. So obviously the public role of the women was limited and they were looked upon the keepers of the households. Or the women today also what are they depending on the household system you can observe that most of women are little bit of women can get some of the rights today also in the modern societies. So such a situation also on the same in manner. And the position of the women in the families were merchants. However, sometimes what are the, it is too different. How they different, the shopkeepers are oftenly visit their wives and run the shops. Okay, remaining part tomorrow I will explain. Thank you.